Jeez. Okay, so she's all repaired. It's been a couple days. I don't even know if I'm wearing the same clothes or not. I think I just turned my monitor off again. So, I did try the Super Turbo 28. It still doesn't work. I'll have to check that out. I don't know why. So we have our new Agnes socket, a new CPU socket with the correct pin. Low, high, and then you get your ROM screen. So let's get it back in the case. Now, one thing that's screwed up is the audio jack. That's what's left of it. So it was all, yeah, tore up. I think I ordered some. I don't know. I went on Mauser and ordered a bunch of parts. So I think I got those. I don't know. If not, I'll order them again. Alright, so we're back with the metal shielding that looks like a mess. It's got a lot of rust right here. Nothing really I can do about it. So I found one of these sanding blocks. And I'm just going to give it a scuff. It's not going to be perfect, but it's not abrasive at all. I mean, I don't know. Just want to get the rust off. You could paint this or whatever. But I'm going to do the right thing and do nothing. But I just want to get the rust off. And if I can improve its appearance in any possible way, which is doubtful, I'll do that. It is getting the rust off though. Now for this, I'm just gonna act like I didn't see that. That's fixed. The back here is bent up really bad. I could try and take some pliers to it to straighten it out, but I forgot where I put them. So that's good. Well, that's better. An important safety tip is this thing kind of protects the board from blowing up. No way to really get this thing in there without bending the piss out of it. And it looks surprisingly a little better. Jeez, I knocked the power cable out too. And I dropped the power supply. You can't see any of that crap. 8 maker. And we have a DataFlyer IDE. I could do the SCSI, but this one's right here. This needs a Molex, which I'm going to steal off of what would be DF1. That. And then if you want to be all protective, we could use one of these anti-static bags and just kind of that's good. 3 lights, low, high, and I can actually hook this light up here now, and we'll have hard drive activity. Blink. Hard drive activity. She's a little dim. I guess, I don't know. You're not finding these lights, so some every once in a while you'll run across some on eBay, but it looks like it's substantial enough. So this should be Workbench 3.1. Shouldn't blow up anymore. Shouldn't crash. Yeah, that's the right one. Alright. So we're going to reboot. We'll be in the Workbench 3 ROM, and I'll have to copy this file over. So now it's Workbench 3.1 on 3.1. Cool. Lose 512K RAM, but don't care. That's how I used to cheat and be Workbench 2.0 ROM and run 3.0 stuff. Double reboot, but as long as it's powered on, it doesn't need it. It's kind of like a map ROM. It is a map ROM. Here we go, and now I have Amiga OS 3.1 loads up, and my colors are back because my preferences now function. I'll fix that. This is back to Workbench 2. Put in the disk. Let it boot off of it, not the hard drive. It will check it, but it should boot off of this. Checking the hard drive, checking the floppy, checking the hard drive, booting off the floppy in a second. Should get a screen if I typed everything correctly, and it should just load the re-kick. My Nest camera, notice some activity. Alright, so there's the re-kick. Taking the disc out. And there's 3.1 re-kick. So the re-kick disc works again. That's great. Cool. So I can put that back in the arsenal and tell myself I'm going to make an ADF out of it and then forget. I mean, I got 8 megs of RAM, 6.3 left afterwards, 1 mega chip, 895 free, and if I quick virus Z, I can gain a little bit. No, 6.4. Not bad. 895, so yay. So anyway, that's the Amiga 2000. She's fixed. We're going to put her cover back on and then stick her back in the archives. That's all I got for now. Stay tuned for more repairs coming up. I got a bunch of them to do. So everybody that's been sending me stuff to fix, I will fix. Right now I'm not taking any more repairs because the 4000 of glass has been the thorn in my side. I want to get these boards made. I got more Pi crap to do. I have another 600 to repair. I have a 1200. I have a monitor. I have the 4000. And then this. So I'm booked up for a little bit. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope this video finds you well. And as always, I hope you learned something.